Good day, YouTube. Today is the 19th of May, 2018, and we are going to unbox, have a look at, review, and test the hydraulic wire crimping tool from Central Hydraulics. This is from Harbor Freight. It was my birthday here not too long ago, and got some cash from the in-laws and put it towards the wire crimper. So let's open it up, get it out of the box, because I have my first cable to make. Went down the auto parts store, got some lugs. This is number 6. I am powering up a fuse box in my step van today. And I'm going to make my first cables, put you in the stand here, with my new crimper. So let's get it out of the box and try it out. Instructions. Probably don't need them. Okay. Oh, looks like we got an extra set of O-rings in there, like to rebuild it or something that fails down the road. That's interesting. Bag. What's in there? It says 7. Just give it a try here. There it is, tightened, releases. I like it. Okay, what's in here says 7. How do we get them? Oh, they just pull out. Good. We're looking for 6. That's 2. That's 4. That's 8. Come on. There we go. 6. So we got our 6 dies. Let's insert them in the tool. Oh, it's magnetic. We just pulled it in there and stuck. Magnetic. That's cool. So here's my first crimp. Ready? Can I spin this? Yeah, there we go. Because I'd like to have it like that. Oop, and I gotta close that. Okay, that's better. I like this better. Okay, we're crimping. Well, there's the first crimp. I have a feeling the lugs that I bought are for a fine stranded cable, and I'm using just regular building wire. So it kind of flattened it out on the side because it was a little big. It says 6 wire gauge. This is 6 wire gauge. But the crimp looks pretty decent. So I think we're going to run with it. So, should we do another one real quick? Let's strip the other end of this wire. Don't go so far as to nick the conductors. You want to kind of whittle them off of there. Let's crimp another one. Yeah, these are a tad sloppy, but it's going to be fine. Ready? Did I tighten that? Nope. Okay, crimp again. Also have it square. So I work in the electrical industry in the construction field. I know what a name brand hydraulic crimper costs, and you can't touch one under $1,000. Those are 50 some dollars. If you got a coupon, then you can get it for just under $50, which is what the in-laws gave me was 50 cash. So I wasted it on a hydraulic crimp tool. No, I didn't waste it. It works just fine. It's awesome. It's excellent. I'm lucky to have one in my shop now, in my stash of tools. I give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Good tool. Glad to have it. I can crimp lugs whenever I need them. Now what I really need to do is buy a bunch of lugs so that I got them here. I got to run down the auto parts store every time I need to do something. That would be cool. So, hydraulic wire crimping tool. Harbor Freight, Central Hydraulics. Good tool. Works great. Easy to use. Good design. I like it. If you need one, go get one. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and please share my videos. Help me grow my channel. We'll talk to you guys on the next video.